Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at the Cookie DOS virus. It's actually called the syslock DOS virus, but Cookie is a lot more enticing of a name. At its core, Cookie is a relatively simple file infector. It infects .exe files and activates any time that the date is after April 1st, when it will randomly display a message. So taking a look at the file, if I can type, we can see it's 11,752 bytes. When it infects files, it will increase their file size by a little over 2,000 bytes. So let's take a look at power, for instance. We'll see if it will infect it. Uninfected size on a regular DOS install is 8,052 bytes. If this does get infected, we will see this number grow to over 10,000. So we're going to change the date to sometime before April 1st, just so we can try and infect some files before the payload activates. So we'll say January 2nd, 1999, why not? And now we'll just kind of run the virus bit. You hear the hard drive click a few times, and now it just seems like it's cycling through nothing, not really accessing the hard drive or infecting anything. So I think it's time to just cut to the chase, make it Christmas Day 1995, because that sounds like a good day. And now Cookie should activate and infect some files. Take a look at power one more time. Nope, not infected. So we'll just move on to running the virus until we see something happen. Wow, first try. Normally, in my tests, this took about 20 tries to actually activate. So this is an exceedingly rare occurrence of a virus working the first time properly on video. In the first take, I am stunned. I guess all it really needed to happen was a 9-month break. So as you can see, the virus outputs "I want a cookie" to the center of the screen. And we are hung up here. I'm pressing enter, escape. I can't get out of it. Alt F4, Alt F4, Control Alt Delete will restart, so I'm not doing that. But the answer is simple. It wants a cookie, so give it a cookie. C-O-O-K-I-E. Your computer burps, and then relinquishes control back to DOS. And that's really it for the virus. It infects files and does this on occasion when you run an infected program. It's not destructive, it's not overtly annoying, and it's actually pretty funny. But apart from that, it is pretty simple, so maybe it wasn't extreme enough for a comeback video, but hopefully you've enjoyed it anyway. We're going to try and get this to activate a couple more times. And while we sit here infecting files, waiting for this virus to activate, maybe you could come up with some other things that you would want the user to type in to continue using their computer if you had written this virus. I'm sure you could all come up with something very amusing, and I look forward to seeing it. Cookie, it burps, we move on. But what else could it possibly be asking for? Maybe I'll regret asking that question, but it remains to be seen. Take a look at power now. Oh, it's still not infected. Oh well. Well, if we kept running this virus, eventually it would infect power.exe, but that is about it for the Cookie DOS virus. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully the next one will take less than 9 months to make. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.